So hello folks, I'm back with a new video. First of all, 4 hour IRL to this ERL here guys. This is my higher time frame target and adding a confidence to that this is the IFPG. Yesterday I took a trade on this fair value gap here this year. Yesterday I took a trade and my stop loss was hit because if I zoom out and put a fib from this low to this high, we can see that it was in a premium area. We can see that guys, it was 0.7, so we can't long when we are in deep premium. So that's what happened and my SL got hit. But today price tapped into 0.5, that is the equilibrium, and there is a IFVG plus this fair value gap here. This is equilibrium and this is a fair value gap. So from this IRL plus IFVG to this external equity, I want this fair value gap to be disrespected, this fair value gap. And on the 2-hour chart we can see that, do you know, and we can see that here. First of all, why I am so confident about this trade is I will show you guys. So this 2-hour IFVG, we can see that here. So this 2-hour bearish fair value gap was disrespected. You can see that here. Price is supporting. So how do you know which trend is going on in the market, guys? This is the question I used to ask myself when I was trading. So I will show you guys. So when to know the market is in bullish order flow, that is in bullish trend. Yes guys, we can see that here. First of all, this 4 hour, leave that 4 hour. You can see that 2-hour bullish fair value gap was respected, and then 2-hour bearish fair value gap was disrespected. So if a fair value gap gets disrespected, that means that is an IFVG. So if it is a bearish IFVG, that means the trend is bullish, guys. If the bullish PDRs are respected, then the trend is bullish. If the bearish PDRs are respected, then the trend is bearish, guys. Here we can see that the bullish PDRs are getting respected. Here there is a bullish fair value gap. We can see that as soon as price entered into this, now it is moving up. That means order flow is bullish. So the number one thing you should check when you are trading is IFVGs, guys, because that tells the trend. So this bearish IFVG confirms that market wants to go higher. So this was my higher time frame confluence, guys. So first of all, 4-hour external 4-hour fair value gap entry. After this liquidity sweep here, this liquidity was taken out. This liquidity sweep plus FVG entry, that means from this sell side liquidity swept, it will go to buy side liquidity, and the bullish fair value gap is there. And this is here time frame bias, and we can see that on the 4-hour bearish fair value gap is almost disrespected, guys. Although it hasn't closed above yet, but it almost, we can see that here. But on the 2-hour chart we can see that, if I said to you, if bearish fair value gap are disrespected, then the price is bullish. If bullish PDRs are respected, then the order flow is bullish. If bearish PDR is respected, then the order flow is bearish. So we can see that here 2 over IFVG. So it will definitely move to this swing high as per my anticipation. And on the 1 hour chart, it's the same, guys. Here we can see that this order block was respected here and price is moving higher. So let me directly go to 3-minute chart. Just a second. So guys, we are on the 3-minute chart and there is a minute SMT here. We can see that here. There is a bullish fair value here. We can see that high is 611 and the low is 644. So there is a gap between that. We can see that there is a fair value gap of 3 minute, which price respected on euro. We can see that here it tapped into it and it is now moving higher, whereas on GBPUSD we can see that there is a fair value gap here, very minute. There is a fair value gap here from this candle low to this candle high. That is, just a second, what is open, high, low, 618. Just a second. So we can see that here there is a tiny bit of fair value gap here, which was disrespected on GBPUSD. We can see that here. The tiny fair value gap was disrespected and made a lower low. So if GBP sweeps a buy sell side liquidity, where will it go? It will definitely go to buy side liquidity. So this is my logic, guys. If GBP has swept sell side liquidity, it will move to this buy side liquidity, and if price respects this bullish FVG, that means if PDR is bullish, then it is respected, then that means that price wants to move higher, and where it will move, it will definitely move to, if SMT is here, it will definitely move to this buy side liquidity. So that is my target, guys. So first of all, guys, 4 hour IFVG plus this fair value gap here, plus this fair value gap which I entered here, you can see that. So from this IRL to this ERL was my target. So first of all, IFVG plus this fair value gap 4 hour, and then the biggest sign you should look for is this IFVG. So there is a bearish IFVG, that means if this bearish fair value gap is disrespected, then the momentum is bullish and it will move to this buy side liquidity. So on the lower time frame, guys, there was a fair value gap here on the 3-minute chart to the swing low, guys. Here we can see that, which was respected here. Which was respected, and the same fair value gap here was disrespected, guys. It is a minute fair value gap, but it still got disrespected here by making a lower low. So if GBP has swept sell side liquidity here, it will definitely move to this buy side liquidity. So if price has respected this bullish, that means bullish fair value gap, that means price has bullish order flow, and it will move to this. So I will now show my execution. So we can see that from morning it is just consolidating and consolidating. We want a big breakout candle now. So this stop loss, was too big, guys, sorry. So this is my target, that is buy side liquidity, and stop loss below SMT or any swing low. which you're certain that it will not break. So this is 1:1. And yesterday my trade failed. Do you know why did it fail? Just a second. So yesterday I took a trade, guys, from this bullish fairly gap, which has now turned to bearish now, and that is being disrespected here. So yesterday I took a trade anticipating from this IRL to this side. Do you know why did it fail? Because we were in the deep premium, guys. So we can see that here. So we were on the 0.7 that when I took the trade. So price is in deep premium, never long it and never short in discount. So price now tapped into equilibrium, we can see that here. Price now tapped into this equilibrium, and now we'll move to this buy side liquidity. So thank you, guys. This was the video. We'll meet after our target is hit.